A Klover card can be declined even when your account is active if there isn't enough available balance, the transaction was blocked for security reasons, or the merchant couldn't process the payment. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify why your Klover card was declined, and what you can do to get it working again. If your Klover card was declined, the first thing to check is your available balance inside the app. A successful transaction requires enough available funds to cover the purchase. If your balance isn't sufficient, add funds if your account supports it or reduce the purchase amount before trying again. Next, confirm that your card is active and hasn't been locked. Open the card management section in the Klover app and look for any settings that temporarily disable card transactions. If the card is locked, unlock it and try the payment again. Now, check your internet connection if you're making an online purchase. While the merchant processes the payment, a stable connection helps ensure the transaction completes correctly. If you're shopping in person, ask the merchant to try the transaction again in case there was a temporary payment terminal issue. If you're using a physical Klover card, inspect it for damage. A worn chip or damaged magnetic stripe can cause payment terminals to reject the transaction. If contactless payments are available, try tapping the card instead of inserting it, or use the digital version of your card if Klover supports it. It's also worth updating the Klover app to the latest version. App updates can resolve card management bugs and ensure your account information is synchronized correctly. After updating, reopen the app and confirm that your card status and balance appear normal. If the card is being declined at every merchant, your account may require additional verification or a security review. Check for any alerts or notifications inside the app asking you to verify your identity or confirm recent activity. Completing those requests may restore normal card functionality. If none of these steps solve the problem, contact Klover support through the app. Include your account email, the date and time of the declined transaction, the merchant name if available, and a screenshot of any error message. Those details help the support team determine whether the issue is related to your account, the card, or the payment network. To recap, verify your available balance, make sure your card is active, check for security notifications, and update the app before contacting support. If your card continues to be declined after those checks, Klover can review your account for any payment restrictions. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more Klover troubleshooting tips, account fixes, and app tutorials.